Hello, clients and friends of Sherwood Tax. It's that time of year again where I'm going to give you our fall 2024 update, what's new for this year, what to expect for the upcoming season. For those who are new clients with us, welcome. Hopefully, I have met most of you by this time. If not, I'm sure you've been connected with the members of our fabulous team here at Sherwood Tax. So I want to just let you know about some changes that we've made, all for the better. Most of them based on your feedback that we've gotten. So thank you for that. And but always feel free to reach out if you have any questions after this explanatory video and the proposals that are going to be going out shortly. So that's what we're here to talk about. In the next few weeks, you will be getting your proposal for the upcoming season. So this is all work that's going to be done during the 2025 calendar year, which includes your 2024 tax return. So sometimes it gets a little bit confusing, especially for those of us that have joined us mid-year, but we really try to line up our proposals with when the work is actually being done. We offer various payment options. We are bringing back, by popular demand, our prepayment discount. We discount 10% off your annual fee if you pay it all by the end of the year. Side benefit is that payment is tax deductible in 2024 if that payment is made. So we appreciate it. We have a lot of costs that are incurred in that first part of the year with our software and other things. So we appreciate having that extra cash flow. So we want to make it worth your while to do that with us. Last year we rolled out some more what we feel is client-friendly organizers. It's still not exactly where I want it to be. We are trying to get this process as easy and simple as possible, but no big changes this year. If you were with us last year, we're going to send those fillable organizers where you can also attach documents and notes for us as we are going through the returns. If you would like to have what we call concierge service, we have that available. Just let us know, depending on your package. We can help you gather your documents. So if you have any questions as you're going through that organizer, or you need any help, or you feel like we're asking for something that you don't know what we're asking for, feel free to reach out. Our amazing admin team is standing by to assist with any questions that you have as we go through that process. We want to make it as smooth as possible for you. And this is probably the most friction that we have with our clients, is that we need to get access to documents and information that you have, and you may need help just getting pointed in the right direction where to get that. The other thing that's not new, but we're just super proud of, and we've gotten fantastic feedback on, is for all of our tax planning clients, we have rolled out our tax roadmaps, which always just tells you what to expect next. So just thank you for your positive feedback on that, and with some of the changes that we're making there. New for this year, we have learned that all of our clients need some type of planning, updates, projections with the tax returns that we prepare. So we are no longer just putting numbers on tax forms for our clients. We are engaging with you to see what's going to be changing in 2025. Because what happens is, by default, our tax software will just spit out estimated taxes based on the prior year. We've come to learn, through sometimes the hard way, that our clients, things change a lot. We know that you're busy, you buy things, you sell things, you start businesses, you end businesses. So we want to make sure that we're being flexible and really giving you the support that you need with that. The other thing that we're including is notice support and identity theft protection. We partner with a company called Practice Protect. You'll see a little document that gets attached to your tax return that has more details on that. But this just kind of gives a little extra layer of security, just to know that if you get a notice that you're not out there alone, that we can support you through that. We have also updated all of our pricing. So for each and every client of Sherwood Tax, we have created a specific proposal with the pricing that is specific to what your needs are, with as I said, the changes that have been made from last year. So please do let us know as soon as possible if anything has changed from last year to this year. We have updated everything with the knowledge that we have, but if you haven't touched base with us, we might not be aware if you have a new business, a new baby, marriage, divorce, any of those things. So it's always good to give us a heads up sooner rather than later on that. We have also, you will see, changed our proposals. So if there are additional services that we believe you would benefit from, we have included those as an add-on to that proposal. So you might notice that that's a little change from last year. But please do let us know if there's anything else that has changed, and we'll make sure to update your proposal as needed. So we don't call it tax season, we call it hustle season. And so because we also don't like busy season, because we always just want to make sure that we're never too busy for our clients, each and every one gets the individualized attention that you have come to expect from us. So what do we mean by hustle? We give priority to clients that have clean bookkeeping. Ideally, we're doing that bookkeeping for you, or you have another trusted accounting professional that you are working with to get clean books. We will not be doing any year-end bookkeeping or cleanup projects during tax season. So if we get in there to go and look at your accounting records and things are not what they need to be, we are then going to postpone that project until after the initial deadlines in March and April. So just be aware of that. However, now is the perfect time if you do feel like you're going to be needing that extra bookkeeping support, or we have told you in the past that you need that. Now is the perfect time to get that done prior to the January, so we'll be able to hit the ground running once that's completed. So this also applies not just if you have a separate business tax return, but for our folks that are single member LLCs, sole proprietors, and rental properties. That also applies to you. So please reach out if you're going to need help with that. This shouldn't be new to you, but this is all the documents that we need. Basically, if you get anything in the mail that has that phrase on it on the envelope that says important tax document enclosed, please put everything in a folder and have that all ready for us. As I said, we'll be sending out our organizers so that can serve as a checklist for you. We do not intend that organizer necessarily to be filled out. For example, there's a W-2 page. You do not need to fill out every box on that W-2 page. What we like to use the organizer for is there are questions at the beginning that are important. We like you to answer those. Any of the boxes for W-2s and 1099s, don't need to fill those out. That just can serve as a checklist for you. However, the pages for the Schedule C businesses and Schedule E rentals, we would love for you to fill those out if you don't have another way that you're capturing that information. So if you're not in QuickBooks, if you're not in Xero, if you don't have a very, very well-organized spreadsheet, please fill out that organizer, and that's what we're going to use to prepare that section of your tax return. We will update you in every phase of the process. So what we're trying to avoid is any anxiety that our clients will have about where's my tax return, what's happening. I gave you the information. So at each step of the process, we'll let you know where we are, and we'll let you know if anything's missing. So no need to reach out to us. We will be telling you your documents have been scanned, they're with the preparer, we've prepared the return, they're with the reviewer, and then when we send it out to you for your review and signature, obviously we email you at that time as well. If you have any questions, make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. We usually do this for anyone that signs up with this, but maybe somehow you unsubscribed in the past, but there's a lot of good information that comes out on that on a weekly basis. We have resources and blogs available on our website. We have a Facebook page, but feel free to email us or reach out to cpa@sherwoodtax.com. We can help you with any questions. There's multiple people that see that email, so they'll know who to send it to if you use that email address. And just wanted to reiterate our amazing team members. So here in the US, in Oregon and Washington, we've got myself, the fabulous Stephanie Hackett, Emily Hill, Client Manager Supreme. Jen Piersoneski is our Office Manager. Kendall Paul is at the front desk and answering the phones. And Chrissy McLaughlin helps us out on a seasonal basis with our scanning and our 1099. So you probably will interface with many or all of these team members. Then we have our great team in Guadalajara, Mexico. We have Roxana, who is new with us this year. We're very excited to bring her on. She is going to be a tax preparer this year and will probably help with tax planning and bookkeeping projects as well. We have Claudia Orozco, our lead bookkeeper. We have Lizbeth Mendoza. Many of you have interacted with Liz as our primary staff person and tax preparer. And we have Ellie Uribe, who is also a bookkeeper. Ellie's going to be going out on maternity leave in January, so we're going to be depending on the rest of the team to fill in the gaps while Ellie is gone, and then she'll be back with us in April. So that is our team. Just had a couple changes. We had Julia, who has been with us many years. She actually got promoted to a position within the outsourced staffing agency that we use down there. So congratulations and thank you to Julia for being an amazing team member for us for the last 3 years. I'll just leave you that our mission and vision hasn't changed. Our mission is to bring joy to accounting. We want it to be a joyful experience for our clients and for all of our accounting professionals and admin staff that work with us. So I want to just give an appreciation to our clients. You guys have been great this year. I'm so glad that you value us and our services, and with all the great feedback that we've had this year, I'm really excited about going into this upcoming season. So thank you all very much. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and reach out if you need anything. Otherwise, we will see you in January when the hustle season starts. Thank you.